Open Letter Collective is a nonprofit community print shop. We offer education in printmaking and media literacy, giving people an option to make their own media, kind of as a way of combating modern media and its effect on us. We do a lot of workshops, have open studio times, do a lot of collaborations with other nonprofits to try and give people a voice. Book art is a really expansive field. It's basically using the book as a form to interrogate. It's how we communicate, we interact with it in such a way. It's like a intimate experience with an object that you gain information from. So it's all about just exploring that type of interaction. So a lot of times book arts doesn't even have to look like a book, but it's using narrative, sequence, interaction in order to tell a story or share an idea. I really like just using the form of the book to make people think about media in different ways. I think a lot of the mechanics of our current media is hidden from us. So when you actually have to, typeset something or make a print or turn a page, it makes you think about what those underworkings are. Before coming to Boise State, I was in Portland and it was great. I worked in this community studio and it was awesome, and I was had this amazing community of artists, but I felt like we were very much in a bubble, right? We're kind of like speaking to each other about all these issues, and I thought that coming to Boise would give me an opportunity to kind of reach people who may not see the message ordinarily. It was home to me. It was a good chance to come back, have that connection with maybe people with different viewpoints, and reach people in rural areas as well. I like the process because it's full of limitations, right? When you're on a computer, you can choose any font you want or any images you want and arrange it in any way. But because of the physical process, you are limited to certain outcomes. And I think that drives my creativity in different directions that I may not ordinarily go. So I really enjoy the limitations and what that brings to the final product.